Hello everybody, it's me, Trader Max from ShogunFusion.io. In this video, we're going to be talking about making an NFT on your collection. Let's get started. At this point, everybody should know what an NFT is, the non-fungible token, and you're here today on ShogunFusion.io to make your very own. Now, I'm not here to tell you how to make an NFT, what colors to use and all that stuff. You've already made your NFT, and now you want to mint it on our system. Our system should be very simple for you to be able to operate. So what we're going to do is that you've created your account already. You have your account number up here, or your amount, your name and everything else up here. It could be whatever it is. Look at the how to create an account video if you haven't yet. And then you're simply going to hit create. Now, you've already created a collection. If you haven't, please go back to that step and make a collection. And now we're here to create the NFT. On this particular page, there's going to be a few things in here. One, you can create the collection, but you already have the collection created. I'm going to use the Shogun Fusion auction coins to be able to collect, and I'm going to choose single NFT. We do have bulk upload, and in the next series, you'll learn all about using bulk upload if you have many. But for now, we're only going to be minting the one coin. Now, we're going to click on where that link is at for that picture. I'm going to scroll all the way down, because it's all the way down. There's so many NFTs and stuff I have. Please, I feel so embarrassed. Nope, there we go. We're going to click on this one right here, the little 20%. I'm going to hit open. Now, my title, I want to keep it very short and concise. I'm just going to be pretty plain here. Anvilbot deal 25% off. And I'm going to make that -7, right? It could be whatever the number is at this point. Description, this is for a percentage off the Anvilbot. Okay. I'm going to add attributes, and what attributes are, there are traits. Now, depending on the traits I try to make them very sweet and simple. Like, I know that this is a deal attribute, and it's the amount is 25% off, right? I know that the species is a panther. Yay. We're going to say type. I'm going to say samurai. People like traits. People like to have collectible traits in the process, right? So make sure that you be caring. But also, one thing to remain in your mind at all times: any description, any title, any of these things, after you push the button for the NFT, can't be changed easily. Now, you can write into support and you can request and humbly beg, but if we find that there's a lot of them, you may get a little service charge for having to go in and change those things for you. After you push it, it usually just goes straight to the blockchain, and the only way that it can be changed is going to the database, which is very encumbersome and very security risky. Okay, so we don't want to do that too many times. So your royalty percentage is very important to you. Keep between 5 and 7 is usually industry norms, or 10% is all up to you on what you do. So if somebody else sells it, they get a couple, you get a couple bucks as well from them selling it. Okay, so now that we have the attribute set, we have the royalty percentage set, simply going to hit create NFT. Now, this price is not going to us. We don't charge for the minting, but it does for Solana. You charge in the process and that network fee. Wow, that was super quick. That was all real time as well, so that's pretty awesome. And now if I view NFT, this might take, there you go. And there it is, the 1.7. There's all the attributes. Now, the cool thing about once you get onto the NFT, there's a few things that you can utilize. You can transfer the NFT to just about anybody you want, but make sure this is the final step. This doesn't increase or decrease the value of the NFT. You can burn the actual NFT as well. Let's say if you made a mistake and you really don't like it, but this costs you money as well, not to us, but to the actual Solana. You can you better be clicking favorites. Be the first person to like your own NFT, and of course, you can tell the world about it. You can copy the link and share it, or share it directly to your X account, whatever you're set up or logged in as. Will show in that point. Also, you can refresh the listing after listing the price. Now, in the next video, we're going to be talking about listing for sale and what that looks like, and getting things started, either via auction or direct sale. All right, I'm Trader Max. We'll see you next time, and as always, live well.